Well, welcome back, fourth graders. You guys are awesome and you're becoming great writers, okay? We're going to look at our writing journal and we're going to add another page to our journal. This is where we're going to save our stories that we're going to write eventually summaries about, okay? Each page is going to be a different story. If we had a spiral notebook, so if you're doing this at home, your spiral notebook, we'll have this in your spiral notebook. And we would have saved these if we were in the classroom. And this is our way of saving it, is on this writing journal that's interactive, okay? So if you get it open, you're going to go down to, I'm going to go down to summaries. And where we have introduction, I'm going to go right after that because we started talking about the introduction, what goes in that. We'll come back to that, go right in between, and remember we're going to insert a page. I'm going to do that drop down menu after that arrow. Second row, second slide, going a little faster because you know how to do this, okay? I'm going to do my background. I'm going to change it to clear or transparent. Make it solid, transparent. Done. I'm going to take this text box and I'm going to make it, I'm going to get rid of it. I'm going to click on it once, click on it. So I got the 4 arrows, and I'm going to delete or backspace and get rid of it. Okay? Now, I'm going to go up to my, hang on, let me move my thing up a little bit. I'm going to go up to my menu, my toolbar. I'm going to go to Insert, and I know we're doing it again, Text Box. I'm going to come right here. I'm going to make 2 text boxes. I'm going to draw it, go over to the side, 2 fingers. One finger moves it, the other finger holds down on the menu. The first one, nice big, no bigger than half. Do it the top and length of your slide. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and change my font to be about 20. I'm going to change it to Comic Sans because you know Miss Silva likes Comic Sans. Okay? Then I'm going to write main idea in that. Main idea. I'm going to click off of it. Now notice the text box is gone, but that's okay. I'm going to go to Insert again, another text box. My cursor becomes 4 little crosshairs, it's called, on the other side of my document. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to draw another text box. This one can be a little bit bigger. I'm going to go down to the bottom. I can go over this way a little bit more. So we're going to write a little bit more in this one. Okay, I didn't make it quite tall enough. I'm going to click on the inside. My cursor starts blinking. I'm going to change my font size again. I'm going to change it to 20. I like Comic Sans, but you can change it to something else. And this is going to be for our details. Okay, so let's go back to our main idea. To do that, put your cursor in main idea, double click, and your cursor's at the beginning. So put your cursor at the end. So I'll do that again. I'm going to click over here on main idea. If I double click, my cursor blinks right at the beginning of the main idea. I want to put it at the end and enter twice so that there's